Prayer for anxiety. Hold me, O Lord. Every day is getting more difficult. I am afraid and always on edge. I feel like I am losing control. I am losing it. Help me, Father. Lift me up from this despair. It is getting more difficult to breathe each time. My body aches everywhere. My medicines seem no longer helpful. They only put me to sleep, but not really well. My family and work are already affected. So are my relationships. You alone, O God, is my hope. Deliver me, please, from all the fears. Soothe all the pains in my body. Heal me from all these mental anguish. Heal my past and my present. Heal all the woundedness in me. Hold me, O Lord. Bring me your calm. Free me from this anxiety. Amen.